Hey, what's up? Ratwebtech here with another tutorial. So, we all know that Windows 11 is now available, but it carries pretty strict requirements. And in this video, I'm going to help you find out if your PC or laptop is ready for Windows 11 using two methods. Number one is health checkup, and the other one is why not Windows 11. Basically, there are many ways to check if your hardware will support Windows 11, but in this tutorial I will only expound on two most accurate methods known by our test team. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I will be giving shoutouts on a weekly basis for one random subscriber, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get rolling. The first method is to use Microsoft PC Health Checkup to see if your computer or laptop can support Windows 11. So these are the steps that you need to do. 1. Download Microsoft PC Health Check from the link in the description. Open the file and agree to terms and service, then click install. Make sure the box is checked that says Open PC Health Check and click finish. On the home page, click on check now. This is gonna take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your PC capability, and it's gonna tell you if your laptop is compatible with Windows 11 or not. So a pop-up will come out saying this PC doesn't presently satisfy Windows 11 system requirement, with further details below. So you can see, for instance, on this PC, this one supports Windows 11, but this other one doesn't support Windows 11. The other option that is also available is why not Windows 11 app. Well, I'm going to give you a direct link to downloading this because most of the links will take you to the GitHub homepage, and kind of messy to use that unless you know what you are really doing. So click on the link in the description, but remember, why not Windows 11 is an open source program, and it's a decent alternative as it gives an in-depth analysis of why this one is not supported and why this one is supported, and it's easier to use. So basically, after downloading it, you just want to follow the prompts to install it, and then after installing, run the program. Okay, given that this app is not signed, it might prompt your PC to react and give you a security alert, but just go ahead and accept this because this application is not harmful at all. Then you're gonna notice a little bit more difference here, because PC Health Check just gives you the overall your PC doesn't support or your PC supports Windows 11. But here you're gonna see your Windows 11 compatibility results, and the results are based on currently known requirements. So it's gonna take you through the architecture, boot method, CPU compatibility, CPU core count, CPU frequency, DirectX, disk partition type, RAM install, secure boot, storage available, and TPM version. These are the major things that Windows 11 are kind of more into if you want to know if it supports Windows 11. Alternatively, if you don't want to install any of the apps that I've mentioned, then worry less, because these are the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. So you can see the processor type that's needed at least 1 GHz or faster, a minimum of 4 gigs of RAM, a minimum of 64 gigs of storage. System firmware, the boot type, especially secure boot, should be enabled. Trusted platform module should be at least version 2.0. Graphics card, display type, internet connection, that's kinda normal if you're already using Windows 10. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to get a shout out in my next video. Peace.